easily. Howdy!
Okay, so Lenka and I are currently in Italy. We are here for around 11 days. As of now, we are in we are near Lake Como, and
We are in Varenna.
we are in Varenna, and we're filming right now in Villa
Monastero.
Yeah. With all that being said, yes, thank you, very nice. We are here for mainly the Monza Grand Prix, which I'll make a video about entirely for itself. And I also have a one-day trip to Lake Como, which is the one we currently are on now. But with that being said, I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. This was just to give a bit of a recap, and yeah, I hope you enjoy.
And you have to go to Instagram and follow.
I was tempted by your smile. I was tempted, and for a little while I was certain that I will be the one to change you, and you will be mine. You will be mine.
Somebody just proposed!
You wouldn't believe it if we even tried to fake it. Literally, as we got into the villa, Lenka sussed out this guy and was like, I think he's gonna propose. I wasn't sure about it, but Lenka, she had an eye on him. And at one point we got to this lookout spot, and there Lenka literally said, he's proposing. So Lenka and I, we got both of our sides, moved away, and just started filming it all. And then we also told them afterwards that if they needed it, they could get it. So the clip you just saw, or the clip I'm going to show now, has a snippet of the proposal that we just were lucky enough to see. Crazy. You're not saying anything. Talk to the camera.
To say. We got 100 people in one botanical garden. And we're giving away $1 million to the last one that leaves. But they don't know.
They don't know.
Twist.
The plot twist is
We're
they
gonna
don't know.
let out 1,000 poison snakes.
I was tempted by your eyes. I was tempted. The promises, the lies just keep hurting. They just keep on hurting. But I won't be the one to change you, and you won't be mine. No, you won't be mine.
Arrived to Bellagio.
Well, as Lenka just started saying,
No, you can't use that.
we are in Bellagio right now. How do you say it probably, Lenka?
Bellagio.
Yes. So we are currently there.
And I'm not Italian. Just for you guys who got confused.
Yeah, sure. Okay, well, we are in Bellagio, and the plan right now
Deutsche
is
Bank.
to find a place where we can get some food and sit for a bit, because we haven't had any food since yesterday, pretty much. A little shout out to where we are going in 2 days, or hint, I should say.
It's white paninis.
The endless struggle.
What am I supposed to eat?
Nothing, I guess.
Yeah.
So the endless struggle when it comes to Lenka is that she quite literally can't have a single meal or type of food here in Italy, because she's intolerant to both milk protein and white flour. So it's not like we will be able to find any food for her. You did have some fruits though.
It's not food.
Oh, it's a little snack. Now we're currently on the way to find some water, something to drink, as we are still in Bellagio, just walking around, seeing the city. And after that, the plan is to go to Menaggio, and then later go to Lenno, where we will see the famous castle, or villa rather, from the Star Wars series, which I'm super excited for, and also, of course, James Bond. On our way to Lenno.
Yeah.
We made it to Lenno. So, a rather sad thing happened. You're laughing. I'm very depressed. Okay, so the place we were heading to, as you saw in the clip, was Lenno. We're still in Lenno right now. The plan was to go past the villa where Star Wars and James Bond was filmed, if I remember correctly. But I forgot to check if it was open, and Lenka realized while we were on our way that it's actually closed. So we just made it to Como, and we need to now find some food for Lenka, who still hasn't eaten anything today, except for some chips and some salami.
Yes, that's true.
Hopefully they have some gluten-free pizza for her.
They do.
Pizza.
Oh my god, we should go in front of this group.
Okay, yeah. Babushka.
Be careful, there are people selling.
Munch that shit. Munch, munch, munch.
I look so bad, I don't know. I'm gonna see the footage, I'm gonna be like, don't use that.
So we decided to head back a bit earlier because we both were super tired for today. So as of now, we are on our way to the train station at Como, and we will take a train here around 7:47. We'll get back to you guys when we're there. Very long night. Long day. Today, train.
Insert the meme.